السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. I am so grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to share this amazing news with you all. Very soon, we're going to be opening the registration for the Year of Knowledge self-paced program. What every Muslim woman should know about Islam. We all agree that time sometimes is really an issue for us to do a full-time program. So one of the feedbacks we get from the students is, can we have a program where we can do it on our pace? And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, that's what we are going to be launching. Year of Knowledge self-paced, meaning you have the same 5 subjects that we taught the full-time students. However, you will do it on your own pace. What we are teaching is the authentic traditional books and in the traditional way. It is all recorded and edited so the student can learn according to their pace. Learn the 5 subjects that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you and me to learn. What do we believe in? So Aqidah, Creed. How do I practice? So that's fiqh. And we teach through we cover the 4 school of thoughts. Then what about my heart? What does Allah want from me? So we teach tazkiyah. What about the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam? So we actually teach the commentary on the 40 hadith. And then what about the Quran? And in the first year, we want you to get familiar with the book of Allah, and that is Ulum al-Quran. So the program designed to suit the woman, whether you are a woman a mother staying home, or you are a working mom, or you're a working sister, or you're a student, or you are somebody who has the time but just don't know where to start. What is special about this program, not only it is according to your self-paced, but it is in English all. However, we teach the traditional books. So it's absolutely all the books that is taught in the well-known institutes in Arabic. Allah, out of His generosity, these books are actually translated, and we teach the translation, and also we read, especially the verses or the hadith, we read it in Arabic. The whole purpose of it is according to your pace. So it's not going to be, I can't because I don't have that much time. Well, can you have a little bit of a time? And it will take you longer, but you are learning. The advice, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make me worthy of giving advice to everybody, is the following: is don't waste any opportunity to learn, and to learn for the sake of Allah, so you can become bi'idhnillah the Muslim woman you want to be and Allah wants you to be. Join us, check the details on our website. I would love to see you part of this program.